what's up, and welcome back to ByStephieNics. Or is this the Ariana Grande channel? Okay. Hey, what's up, and welcome back to ByStephieNics. So today we're gonna be doing something super exciting. It is the highly requested part 2 to my Hidden Crown series. You guys have been asking, and here we go. If you're not quite sure what I'm talking about, around a year ago, I posted a super in-depth review of the Hidden Crown hair extensions on my channel. It's linked in the description box, don't worry. You guys absolutely loved it and demanded more, so here we are today. We're doing an Ariana Grande inspired hairstyle, that little half-up ponytail that she always rocks. Now, right before we jump into the tutorial, I've got some awesome news for you guys. Hidden Crown saw how excited you guys were over my first video, and were so super nice enough to send me a coupon code just for you guys. So if you've been thinking about getting these Hidden Crown hair extensions for a while, or you're looking at them now and you're like, yes, honey, I need those in my life, there's no better time, because all you gotta do is enter my code ByStephieNics in the coupon code box at checkout on hiddencrown.com to save some money. Simple as that. And so you don't forget, I'll just pause the video for a few seconds with the code on screen so you can save it for later. And now you have my face saved forever on your phone. You're welcome. With all that taken care of, we can get right into the tutorial. So if you're ready to learn how to get this super cute hairstyle, just keep watching and I will teach you all my tips and tricks. Okay, so the first step to get that half-up, cute little Ariana Grande inspired hairstyle is we gotta put some extensions in, because you know my girl Ari's not going out nowhere without extensions in. I'm gonna be using my absolute favorite extensions in the world from the brand Hidden Crown. I got them right here, my little babies. Let me open it up so I can get you guys a better look. Okay, so here are the extensions. Let me just comb them out a bit. They're a little messy. I've been wearing them quite a bit lately. So this one that I've got right here is actually a newer style from their collection. It is a Hidden Crown layers extension, and this one is in 18 inches. Super, super long. I've never had extensions this long, so this is really exciting. So like I said, Hidden Crown layers 18 inch, and this one is in the color 1B30, deep brown with Auburn highlights. It's a perfect match to my hair because I got these little Auburn highlights pretty recently, so perfect match. Just holding it up right here, it looks a lot brighter than my highlights, but it's because my highlights are kind of in the underneath layers of my hair. Once it's in, it blends perfectly. It's actually crazy. So yep, we're gonna be using these beautiful, luxurious extensions for today's look. Now wait a minute, if you saw my first Hidden Crown video, the full in-depth review of the extensions where I showed you how to fit the wire, how to put them in correctly, the whole thing, which if you haven't, make sure you click right there and check it out. You might be thinking, what did she do with her extensions that don't have highlights? Did she just throw them out? Are they in the garbage going to waste? God, no, is my answer. I've got my original color 1B 16-inch Hidden Crown extensions right here, my original loves. And since these don't match my color perfectly anymore, I found a new way to love these extensions, and that is by stacking them. So I've got my 2 sets of extensions here, and I'm going to show you in this look how I stack them to get a perfect color blend and insane volume. I mean, there's no time like an Ariana Grande tutorial to show you my full voluminous hair extension look. Am I right? I'm right. Okay, so when I stack my extensions, I always put in the shorter, darker ones first. I don't know if that's totally right, but like, you know, it works for me, so that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna take out my 1B 16-inch extensions that we got right here. These are a little bit curled, the other ones are straight, but don't worry, we'll make it all work. Don't you worry. Okay, so as always, I'm just going to whip the extensions to the back and line up the wire around 1.5 inches to 2 inches from my hairline. It's around there. And then I'm going to grab my layers extension, and I'm just going to put that right on top of where I put the regular 16-inch extensions. Could not be easier, guys. Okay, so now we're looking so cute. It's time to blend these into our hair. I'm going to take the rat tail comb that Hidden Crown sends you with every extension purchase, and I'm going to just pull my own hair up and over the extensions to hide them. Again, like I said, I talked this out way more in depth in my original video, so definitely check that out if you're like, what is she doing? What's going on? Check it out. I got all the answers there. Okay, and all of my hair is brought up and over the top, just feeling to make sure I didn't miss any gaps. Okay, we're good. And now we've got a ton of hair. You don't even understand how thick my hair is right now. It's insane. Okay, and don't get me wrong, I'm not advising you guys to like go out there and stack 2 full sets of extensions on top of each other like on the daily. I save this look more for like super glam time when I'm feeling a little extra, when I want to get my Ariana Grande on. Usually I'm wearing just one hidden crown at a time, but I wanted to show you the versatility, the options, you know, you get what I mean. Okay, so now that we've got our super thick, super long extensions in, it's time to work on the ponytail. So I'm gonna grab my hidden crown comb and I'm gonna section out my hair on the top, like my real hair. I'm picking up as much hair as I can while still leaving a small layer to cover the extensions that we got there. So I'm just leaving like around that much to cover the extensions and picking up the rest. Same thing on this side. Okay, I gotta crouch down to show you guys, but I've got my little ponytail section off. Next up, you're going to grab a ponytail that matches your hair color and tie off your pony on the top of your head. And now for probably my favorite part, you're just going to grab the ponytail and just fan it out. Give it some nice volume. So cute. Okay, so I've got a lot of hair, so I had enough to pull up into the ponytail and still have enough to cover the extensions on this side pretty well. But if your hair is a bit thinner or if the extensions are showing through a bit, you can use that same hidden crown comb to just lift up your hair and tease it at the root a bit. That's gonna help it, you know, stay covering the extensions all day long. You don't have to worry about like the extension showing through. I'll just even it out on this side. Yeah, so just like that, and then you just pull it over, and then you don't have to worry about the top of the extension showing through it all. Okay, we're looking pretty cute up top, but if we take a look down below, we've got some straight pieces and some wavy pieces like I showed you before. So to even all that out, I'm just going to use my 1-inch curling iron. It's not on, that's why I'm touching it. I'm gonna use my curling iron to just give myself some curls all over, give some curls up in the top. Ariana Grande usually does wear this style pretty curly, so that's what we're gonna do today. Oh, are you for real? I literally just ripped my nail plugging in the curling iron. This is just not my day. Okay, we're gonna push on though. So now our curling iron is hot and we can get to curling. So basically what I'm gonna do is pull some of my real hair and the extension together and just curl it away from my head all together so my hair blends in. Just hold it there for a little while and then let it go. Ooh, see that beautiful curl? Yes. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this all the way around my head, exact same thing. Pull some of my real hair and the extension hair, curl it away, and then I'll check back in with you guys at the end to curl the ponytail. Okay, are we ready for the reveal? 3, 2, 1, bam. Do we see? That's incredible, guys. I can't. I haven't pulled out the curls just yet. I'm gonna let them, you know, set a little bit. I have to stop touching them. Gotta control myself. Okay, so now we are ready to curl that ponytail, the last bit of straight that we have left. So I'm gonna take around 1/3 of the ponytail, grab my curling iron, and just curl it all the way from the top. Hold it there for a few seconds and let it go. Okay, so it just gives it kind of a slight wave so it matches in with the rest of the hair. Do you see how I have these like little spiky pieces sticking up? So when I grab the section to curl, I'm going to make sure that I incorporate those in with the rest of the hair so that they get pushed down when I curl. So I'm just going to take this middle section and I'm going to, again, curl away from my face. Let it out. Beautiful. And the last section, again, grab those little spiky pieces standing up and curl away from the face. Beautiful. Such a cute little ponytail. Okay, so now these curls have definitely cooled, so I can just shake out the hair a bit, get it a little bit messier. Okay, it's looking really cute. Everything is blended in perfectly. You can't see my hair sticking out. You can't see the difference between the 2 different colored extensions, the 2 different length extensions. Actually, gotta give a credit to the Hidden Crown Layers extensions that I used for that, because with the Layers extensions, it actually has 3 different lengths cut in. It's not just a blunt cut. So that is definitely helping to blend in all the hair, all the different lengths, really seamlessly. Oh, and I almost forgot the finishing touch. Ariana Grande would never leave an exposed ponytail like that. So what we're gonna do is just take a little bit of the ponytail hair and I'm going to wrap it under and around that exposed ponytail to get that cute little wrapped look that she always rocks. Just wrap it around and around and around until you just have a little tail piece. Then I'm gonna grab a bobby pin that matches your hair color and just bobby pin that down. Now there we are rocking a true Ariana Grande little wrapped half up a ponytail look. If you can see, I still have those little spiky pieces standing up. They don't want to stay down. So I'm going to take a little bit of hairspray, just spray my fingers a bit, and just hairspray it down a bit. We're not going to let baby hairs ruin our look today. There we go. Perfect. And there we go. That completes this cute Ariana Grande inspired hairstyle featuring this gorgeous hidden crown stack. If you guys want to get in on this extension game, make sure you use my coupon code ByStephieNics listed right here on screen. When you go to hiddencrown.com, you're going to save some cash and you're going to get some awesome extensions, and then we're going to be like hair twinsies, and it will be such a cute time. Okay. But really though, coupon code ByStephieNics at checkout, because who doesn't want to save some money? Really. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you scroll down and hit the thumbs up button to let me know. And if you want to see more hair extensions videos featuring my hidden crowns, just leave a comment, tell me what you want to see, and I'll do it for you because I got your back. That's just how things are between us. I got you. And if you've made it this far without subscribing, I'm not really sure why. Maybe you just forgot. Well, here's your reminder. Scroll down, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it to join the ByStephieNics fam. We'd love to have you. It's a great time. We have fun here. Alrighty, with all that said, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it because y'all the best and I feel the love. Hearts up. Is that the Ariana Grande thing? I'm not even sure anymore. Okay, I'm gonna go. As always, this was ByStephieNics. Bye.